Nice and beautiful. Welcome back to the kitchen. I got Chef Ricardo juice bar. I'm gonna make you guys a lovely mixed smoothie fruits with yogurt. Alright, this is gonna be one of the healthy one because I'm using low fat yogurt with mango and passion fruits. Alright, so how to make this, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. So first of all, what we're going to do is get some mixed fruits, put it straight inside of your blender like this, whatever you're using at home. With the mixed fruits blender, which mixed fruits right here, it's got everything. It's got mango, ripe banana, strawberry, you know what I mean? All different kind of fruits to make smoothie. So basically, that's why I love to use this one. So the natural yogurt now we're going to put in inside of it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Just gonna put a little bit of spinach in it for iron, not too much. And I'm using skim milk, which is low fat milk, which is one of the best milk to use in weight loss. I'm gonna pop a little bit in it for free up my blender. Now I'm gonna be blending this about 4 seconds. So just gonna give it a shake. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is go back the outside with it again. Put a little bit of milk in it. And I'm gonna just pop the little rest of yogurt which I have inside of it. Really nice, the yogurt. Really nice. Let's give it a shake. Just it's good to have a powerful blender for this kind of drink, but I'm just using this one because it's small and it's neat. I like to use it. Let's see what happens. Beautiful. It's looking good. Let's test it. That is nice. I like. Really, really nice. So this one I can have it for breakfast. Honestly, what I'm gonna do now is just pour it inside of my smoothie bottle. Beautiful and nice and simple recipe, guys. So as you can see, exactly what I'm talking about. You guys can make this at home. It's a simple recipe and 100% you guys will definitely love this. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming. So please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus me. I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.